Justice Somen Sen appointed Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. Justice Somen Sen has taken charge as the 14th Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court. The Chief Justice leads the highest court in the state, ensuring justice is served efficiently and fairly. This appointment strengthens Meghalaya's judicial system. Though Palau conducts world's first live underwater interview, the island nation of Palau made history by hosting the first ever live interview from underwater. Marine experts participated to raise awareness about ocean conservation. This creative event shows how innovation can bring attention to protecting marine life. 3. Armenia joins the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Armenia has officially become a member of the IUCN, a global organization that works to protect biodiversity and endangered species. Joining the IUCN allows Armenia to contribute to international environmental efforts. 4. Swadeshi Mela launched in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh's new Swadeshi Mela promotes local and traditional industries. It's a step towards Atmanirbharta, self-reliance, encouraging people to buy and support made in India products. 5. Rise in educated unemployment in India. Reports show an increase in unemployment among educated youth in India. This highlights the need for stronger skill development and job creation programs to match education with employment opportunities. 6. Agri-NICs program by Ministry of Electronics and the government launched the Agri-NICs program to blend technology with agriculture. The goal? Use advanced electronics to boost productivity and make farming more eco-friendly. 7. Indian Army acquires Saksham Counter Unmanned Aerial System, CUAS. The Indian Army has added a new layer of security with BELS, Saksham, Drone Defense System. It detects and neutralizes drone threats, a key step toward modern battlefield readiness. 8. Jannik Sinner wins Australian Open men's singles title. In sports, Italy's Jannik Sinner grabbed the men's singles title at the Australian Open 2025. His victory inspires young athletes and highlights excellence in the global sports arena. 9. Nobel Prize in Literature awarded to Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Hungarian author Laszlo Krasznahorkai won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature for his remarkable storytelling. Recognizing such achievements reminds us of the global value of literature and culture. Thus, RBI maintains repo rate at 5.50%. The Reserve Bank of India has kept the repo rate steady at 5.50%. That's the rate at which banks borrow money from the RBI. Keeping it unchanged helps balance inflation and economic growth. 11. Digital Nomad Village in Sikkim. Sikkim is developing a digital nomad village, a space for remote workers worldwide. This move could boost tourism, improve digital infrastructure, and promote regional economic growth.